Congress has hit out at the BJP, claiming the entire opposition is under attack. Congress says BJP's objective is to eliminate the opposition. Congress says Prime Minister Modi is gathering all the corrupt in the BJP. Corrupt become clean after they join the Bharatiya Janata Party, says the Congress. The Congress, during the course of the election campaign, has spoken about the fact that the Prime Minister and the BJP are gathering all corrupt leaders from across party lines and are making them join the Bharatiya Janata Party, is what the Congress essentially has said. The Prime Minister gathering all the corrupt in the BJP, corrupt become clean after they join the Bharatiya Janata Party. The objective, Congress has reiterated, is that they want to eliminate the opposition. Congress is claiming that the BJP is trying to wipe out the entire opposition. The entire opposition is being attacked by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the most corrupt are being taken in by the BJP, says the Congress. It's a charge that they've made in the past as well during the course of the election campaign, calling the Bharatiya Janata Party a washing machine, essentially taking in all the corrupt leaders from across party lines. Course of the election campaign has hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party. Modi is gathering all the corrupt in the BJP. The Prime Minister is gathering all the corrupt in the BJP. This after a series of leaders from across political lines, in fact, across parties rather, have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in the recent past. More so during the course of the election in the run-up to the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, where you have leaders from the Congress and other opposition parties joining the BJP. The Congress has said that the Prime Minister is gathering all the corrupt in the Bharatiya Janata Party. This has been said by the Congress party, saying that they have, in fact, the BJP, in fact, has been gathering leaders from across political lines, and they are corrupt. They're all joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Those who are corrupt are joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dev Ankur is getting us more details. The Congress there is now reiterating, Dev, the charge that essentially the BJP is a washing machine and the Prime Minister is busy gathering the corrupt leaders from all political parties.
Well, clearly, Sneha, the Prime Minister has time and again been seeing that I-India alliance is a conglomeration of people who are corrupt, people who are, believing in dynastic rule, and there are families involved, the families of Yadavs, which is which runs the Samajwadi Party, the families of Gandhis that runs the Congress, and so on and so forth. And he also mentions time and again that it's a coming together of corrupt people to try to save themselves from being targeted. But what Priyanka Gandhi has mentioned is something which the Prime Minister has not responded to so far. The fact that there are several people who were earlier under the scanner, people like Ajit Pawar, people like Himanta Biswa Sharma, people who had corruption allegations against them. But once, why were they taken into the BJP, and after they joined the BJP, has those corruption allegations gone away? So these are the questions that the Congress has been raising, Sneha. But the Prime Minister perhaps, has not been responding to this part of the Congress's assertion that whosoever earlier was accused of being involved in corrupt activities, they are taken into the BJP, and since then the Enforcement Directorate or the other agencies stop acting against them or stop pursuing those cases of corruption against them. So in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections, this kind of attack and counter-attack from both sides is perhaps
we'll get a word from the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, as well. Shehzad, in fact, the opposition has been saying this, Priyanka Gandhi today reiterating it, that all corrupt leaders from across party lines are going and joining the BJP. The Prime Minister is busy gathering corrupt leaders, is what she said.
Sneha, I could not believe that Priyanka Vada has actually tweeted this, and I opened the tweet and she has written, and I quote, "लेकिन सारी पार्टी के सभी भ्रष्टाचारी," मतलब she is acknowledging कि इनकी पार्टी में सारे भ्रष्टाचारी भरे पड़े हैं. मतलब पहले सवाल हमने किसको लिया नहीं लिया, वो कोर्ट के क्लीन चिट के बाद आए नहीं आए, ये तो बाद में पूछ लेना। पर प्रियंका वाड्रा जी को स्पेशली इंडिया टुडे पर मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूं, और मुझे उम्मीद है इंडिया टुडे अभी प्रियंका वाड्रा जी को फोन करेगा और पूछेगा कि ये आपने तो स्वीकार लिया ना कि आप भ्रष्टाचारी हो, और आप सर्टिफाइड भ्रष्टाचारी हैं। लालू प्रसाद कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड है, सोनिया जी राहुल जी कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड भ्रष्टाचारी, जेएमएम कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड, डीएमके कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड, तो ये सारे कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड भ्रष्टाचारी है। पर आज प्रियंका जी ने आज बहुत अच्छा किया कि उन्होंने अपने ट्विटर हैंडल पर हमेशा के लिए स्वीकार लिया कि ये सब भ्रष्टाचारी है, ये सब अपने आप को अब सदाचारी बता रहे हैं।
You know, Shehzad, before I move on, I just want to ask you a question, and we'll also try and get a word from the Congress, really. But this is an allegation that has been made in the past as well. Questions have been asked of the BJP of various leaders who've joined, and cases against them have not moved, isn't it?
Give me one example.
Himanta Biswa Sarma, for example.
Very good. Thank you. Himanta Biswa Sarma has issued defamation notice to Indian Express, and he has clarified that in 2014, when he was called by CBI, he was called as a witness. And in fact, he had told Sonia Gandhi also about it. Now we want to ask that why is it that at that time they were saying there was no corruption allegations on the many leaders that many questions were being asked on,
Okay.
and today they are acknowledging that all of them were corrupt, then why didn't they remove them?
All right.
This is the double standards of Congress.
Okay. All right, Shehzad, thanking you for the moment for joining us this evening. So that's what the BJP is saying. It's double Congress, it's double speak on the part of the Congress party, and they're acknowledging the fact, says the BJP, that there are corrupt in their party and the other opposition parties as well. That's a tacit acknowledgement is what the BJP is saying.